Now today we find electric field at a point due to electric dipole. Important derivation. Here you will have two cases. First case is end on position or at any point on the axis of dipole. So let us consider this is an electric dipole of dipole moment P. This is the dipole of dipole moment P minus Q plus Q, and the length of the dipole 2L. You have to find the electric field somewhere on the axis of the dipole. At point P you have to find the electric field. Dipole moment is from negative to positive, and the distance of point from the center of the dipole is R. So you have to find the electric field in end on position or at any point on the axis of the dipole. The point P is at distance R from the center of the dipole. Now minus Q will produce electric field over here, and direction of electric field due to negative charge is towards the charge. So minus Q will produce electric field towards the charge, let us suppose EA, and positive charge will produce electric field away from the charge. Positive will produce electric field away from the charge. As many times I have told you, due to positive charge, electric field is away from the charge, and due to negative charge, electric field is towards the charge. So due to positive charge, field EB is away from the charge. Due to negative charge, field is towards the charge. Now we'll find the values of these two fields. So electric field at P due to minus Q charge. Due to this minus Q charge field over here, EA will be equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q upon distance from here to here. This distance is 2L. So this distance is L. This distance is 2L. From here to here it is R. So this distance will be R plus L. So it will be R plus L whole square. And this will be towards the charge. Same way, electric field at P due to plus Q charge, EB will be equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q upon, now you have to take this distance. From here to here it is R, and you subtract this distance, so you will get this distance. This will be R minus L whole square. And this is away from charge. Now as the two electric fields EA and EB are oppositely directed, so you will subtract the two fields. So net field at P, E will be, this EB will be greater and EA will be smaller. So EB minus EA. You will subtract EA from EB. So net field E will be equal to, EB is 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q upon R minus L whole square minus 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q upon R plus L whole square. 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught common, Q common, 1 by R minus L whole square, 1 by R plus L whole square. Now we take the LCM. E will be equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q. LCM will be product of these two, R minus L whole square, R plus L whole square. So this will be R plus L whole square minus R minus L whole square. E will be equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q. Open these two, R square plus L square plus 2RL minus R square minus L square plus 2RL divided by R minus L whole square, R plus L whole square. On solving, E will be equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q. This R square, this R square, this L square, S square cancel out. 2 into 2RL, 2RL plus 2RL, 4RL, 2 into 2RL. And denominator R square minus L square, whole square. Q into 2 into L, that is equal to P. So 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught 2 PR R square minus L square whole square. Here P is equal to Q into 2L. In place of P, 2 into L into Q, in this place 2QL we have taken P. So this is the formula for electric field at a point in end-on position. Further, for a small dipole, if he says a small dipole, L is much less than R, then L square can be neglected compared to R square. So E will be equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught 2P R power 4, 1R cancel out, 2P upon R cube. So electric field in end-on position due to small dipole is given by 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught 2P upon R cube. This is for a small dipole. Now from here electric field is inversely proportional to R cube. Now coming to direction, EB is greater and EA is less, and when two fields are in opposite direction, direction of net field is in the direction of greater field, so net field will be in this direction. This is the direction of net field, that is in the direction of dipole moment. In the direction of dipole moment, so direction will be given by direction of field in end-on position. Direction of field in end-on position of dipole is along the axis of dipole in the direction of dipole moment. This is very important derivation. End on position, very important derivation.